Hello everyone, welcome to Basic Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make handwriting a little more realistic. So let's just get started. So first I want to create the letters that I'm going to animate. So the first letter I'm going to create is S. So S basically involves two curves. So I'm just going to select that. And there I have an S. Well, the word I'm going to try to create is the word subscribe. So the next letter would be U. And of course, it's a curve. And well, I'm just going to create the rest of the word with using curves and lines. So there we go. Now that we have our letters created, now it's time to create the animations. So basically, I'll be using wipe animations. Oh wait, I forgot to dot the I. Doesn't matter. So the animation I'm going to use is the wipe animation. See, there we go. That's how it's supposed to look, and you basically just do that for each letter that you animate. So when you play them, it looks like this. There we go. And then basically this comes the part that you would have seen in the other videos if you watched it, but for those who didn't watch it, this is the picture of the hand that I got off online, and I'm just going to show you what I did here because it will be easy. Good. So this is the picture that I got, and I basically duplicated it and put it on this side. So this is the original one, and this is the copied one, and I flipped it and I turned it on this side so that the middle would be the point, that the pencil point would be the middle, so that when you add the animations, it would start from the middle after I grouped these two images. So these two images were grouped, and then I basically just added soft edges on this one to make it disappear, so that you would only see this image. And I basically traced, as you see, I traced over the animations as if I was writing, and you play around with the timings and you have yourself a great effect. So this is the more complicated version. You can check out the easier version of this effect, which will be shown, or you can check the link in the description, or it should be appear on the screen somewhere. So as you just saw, this is the me adding the custom path for the pencil to move. And now I'm going to take off smooth start and smooth end. And of course, this is where the animation comes in. There we go. So this animation is going to play with previous. Yep. Right. So I put this on the top. This animation is going to play with previous. And I'm just going to slow it down a bit. Not this one, sorry. I'm going to slow down the hand movements. It moves a bit too fast, so I'm going to slow it down. Let's go to about 4 seconds. Let's take it about 5 seconds. There we go. And this one is going to go with previous, but at a small delay. On this one as well, with previous. Well, I'm not gonna take you through this entire steps. Will be all up to you to work this out, because it will be too long for you to watch, and the video is already getting a bit long. So thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like, check out the other videos if you want something easier to do, and I will see you in the next video.